Bullish Marubozu. This type of pattern is a body candle that has no shadow or shadow. So it looks like a head without hair. This Marubozu shows a signal of a strong movement from one side of the buyer or seller, which is likely to take place in the next several periods. In this pattern we can get a bullish or bearish signal, which will depend on the open and close prices on the candle, for the accuracy is quite high. Bullish engulfing. The bullish engulfing pattern is usually found at the end of a downtrend period. You can find the characteristic of this bullish engulfing pattern when after looking at these illustrations, you can imagine of course that a significant increase is a sign that the downtrend is over. The bullish engulfing scenario becomes more perfect when this candlestick pattern is a bull that devours the bears. Bull means buyer. Bullish engulfing candle gives a signal that an uptrend will occur, when there is a bearish candle followed by a larger bullish candle. The accuracy of this pattern is in the middle level. Harami is a Japanese word meaning pregnancy. The harami candlestick pattern is formed from two candlestick bars, where the body of the second bar is always smaller and is within the range of the first body bar. This harami pattern can be said to be the opposite of the engulfing pattern. The difference is in harami, the candlestick that appears is smaller than the previous candlestick. The existence of a bullish harami is indicated by the appearance of a candlestick that is smaller than the previous candlestick, which is a bearish candlestick. What is a morning star candlestick pattern? The morning star pattern is a Japanese candlestick pattern. This candlestick pattern usually appears at the end of a downtrend. This is the starting point of the uptrend of the price. If you master these entry points, you can unlock options with high win rates. The standard morning star pattern consists of 3 candles. The first candle is a strong bearish candlestick, red. The second candle is a special candlestick called the spinning top. Finally, the third is a bullish green candlestick with a length that is at least the length of the first candle.